Day 44 of trading with an initial capital of €1,000. On Friday, I reached a balance of over €4,000. That was more than a 300% gain from the start. Here's what happened today. I did an analysis on silver. At the end of last week, the price had crashed with more than 40%. The current price aligned with several confluences. It had reached the 0.618 Fibonacci level. On the daily chart, this aligned with the 50 moving average, and on the 4-hour chart, the RSI and stochastic RSI were also providing reversal confluences. I liked the conditions for entering a trade. I placed the stop loss below the most recent low and targeted the 0.382 Fibonacci level for the take profit. I decided to trade with 0.04 lots. I set the limits and opened a buy trade. The price quickly moved in my favor and approached the 20 moving average. At that point, the trade was in profit, but from there, a correction was possible. And that's exactly what happened. After several unsuccessful breakout attempts, the price returned to my entry level. Volatility continued throughout the day. However, I believed the trade still had good potential, so I held it into the next day. In the morning, the price had moved higher and was already in solid profit. I noticed that at that moment the price had reached a minor resistance, and slightly above it was the 200 moving average. The 15-minute RSI was also very high. The price pushed a bit higher, and I noticed that around the same level there were also the 50 moving average on the 1-hour chart and the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart. I decided not to take unnecessary risk. I closed the trade manually with a profit of €316. That was a 7.6% growth for the day and a final balance of €4,435.